Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your Xbox is not connecting to the Xbox application. One of the reasons why this isn't connecting for some reason, if you go to where it says Remote Features and you already have a check mark, I think the biggest reason on here is because, I don't know, for some reason it thinks you don't have a check mark, so you have to uncheck mark this one and then recheck mark it. That's the biggest issue that you're probably experiencing right there. You have to uncheck mark it and then recheck mark it. And for some reason, it will show up now. So just go back to the home screen, go to settings right here, scroll on down to devices and connection, and type in your PIN. Make sure this is uncheck marked and then recheck mark it. Then go back and go to general, go to network settings, and just take a look at the network you're connected to. This has to be the same one as your phone, otherwise it won't detect it. Then also, I believe it says you need to activate like sleep mode under power options. So just select it. Then we can go back over to my phone and we want to do the same thing. Swipe on down and make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network right here, Scump. So I'm good there. And then I can go to the Xbox app and I'm going to back out to the home screen. So on here now, go to the top right and select this little option right next to notifications. It's like a phone with a streaming thing. And now put your finger on the phone and then swipe down from the top and reload this page. And your Xbox should display on here. Make sure it's turned on and you're signed in. If it's still not connecting, go to set up a new console. There might be some, codes that pop up on the screen. Type them in here. Otherwise, you might have an existing console. Just go to add a console and go to add existing console. Follow the instructions on the screen. Go to next. And something might pop up on your screen where it says you have to enable something. Just press enabled and then you should be able to come back to this page. Swipe down from the top. Select your Xbox. Now, we should be connected. If we want to use the remote play, go to this little option right here. And then you have to do this through the web browser now, which is kind of annoying. I don't know why they did that. So it's going to open this page and you're going to think nothing's happening. But if you look at the top, it's still loading. So right here at the top, you can see it's only like 10%. Now it's loaded. You can go to set up your console. And then launch on console. And it seems like I'm still having a problem doing this, even though I was just working literally like 5 seconds ago. So make sure you're signed in. And then it should pop up. So it says Xbox Series with remote play. So maybe because I didn't go through the entire setup here, so I have to go to enable. All right, now it's testing my network. And we should be good to go after that. So maybe that's the reason why you're having an issue. Look at your Xbox. You might have an option on there. And it says grab a Bluetooth controller. And make sure you don't back out of this. And we can go to next now and close. So everything should be set up now. If it still doesn't work, try disabling the remote features and try doing this one more time like I said. For some reason, that seems to be the issue. Okay, so I can see it's on here now. We can try doing this on the app once again. I'm just going to back out. And boom, there it is. There's my Xbox. So I can tap this. And now I'm going to be using the remote play. And this is what it's going to look like. My Xbox is turned on. And I can see it right there. It's just really small. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below.